Now I will try to explain how to steer manually on the vessel. We have vessel 200 meters. Here we have to put two-hand steering. It's our course now 050. So for example we need 055. We have to turn our wheel. We can put 10 to starboard. And you see, now it's going to starboard. After that we put midships. Vessel still going to starboard. We start to try to stop this vessel. We can put more. 056. You see, going back. And also now it's weather. No, like in the lake. So when you steer vessel, this is not like car. You always have to stop. Okay, go to back 050. You see, now wheel on the midship, but vessel still going to port. Not like car. Now we will try to stop. More. Something like that. Again 050. Thank you. Please subscribe me. Подписывайтесь на мой канал.